Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix display monitors not detected in Windows Dual or Triple connected to the video card. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your display monitor is not detected on your Windows Dual, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to press Windows plus P key and select Extend. After selecting Extend, check whether it is detected or not. Still you are facing the issue, then click on Start menu or just click on the search. Then type here display. You can see here duplicate or extend to a connected display. Just click on this. In this you can see here multiple display. Just click on this. You can see detect other display. Just click on detect. If there is another display detected, it will show on here. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix display monitor not detected in Windows 12 or Triple or Quadruple connected to the video card. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.